OMG Nation. So I'm headed up to bike night for just a little bit. This is one of, I think it's maybe the second or third bike night of the year up here in Franklin. So I'm gonna see what it's like. It was raining a little bit early. This thing started at 6 and it's close to 7 now, so I was letting the rain, it was kind of sprinkling and stuff, so I was letting the rain kind of subside. The roads are mostly dry now. Last night we had a HOG Chapter meeting night, so let me throw some of that footage in here real quick just so you guys can see the goings on of the Middle Tennessee HOG Chapter 2715, sponsored by Moonshine Harley Davidson. Oh, hey there, OMG Nation. Tonight is HOG Chapter meeting night. I gotta put my name tag on. That way everybody knows who I am. Somebody just bottomed their car out over there, pulling into the little deal. All right, so let's see what's going on. See if there are some people already here. Exit only. Do I always follow the rules? Here we go. The white sauce.
I got dry rub, mustard stuff, barbecue sauce, and ranch.
What do you think? Does it taste good?
You know what would be a nice thing to do is get on a bunch of.
You know what my thought process is
Hey,
on
can I
wings?
talk to you while you're eating?
Yeah.
Can I have you eat while you're eating?
No, here's my thought process on wings. You don't wipe your mouth or anything until you get finished with them all.
Okay. So you don't do your laundry then?
Yeah, that's right.
That's what he's really saying.
First choice, C85436.
I'm not gonna look, right?
Unless it's a
882-995.
Red ticket, red ticket.
What a new member wins. Woohoo! And the lucky winner is la 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 la.
Read it.
Read it? Go ahead. I can't read the red one.
Red ticket.
882-952.
882-952, red ticket.
That's what I call keeping it on.
All right! Just like we planned.
Cheaters! I'm gonna have to review the footage on that one. There was a palm ticket going in there.
$75, 50-50 drawing. Last chance to buy tickets. You can call it out. Ryan's doing it that way, our hands are.
All right, it's a yellow ticket. Red ticket, red. Jeez, Louise, you weren't kidding.
They're not that hard to read. You guys must be
I know I'm old and blind, but those red tickets
866?
are terrible.
No. 882-986.
Is it you, Chris?
9.
All right!
Okay. Tradition is you split it with the guy that picked it. As you can see, that's a pretty fun little group. We had a lot of new members last night, and the crazy thing was we do raffle ticket drawings, and then we do a little 50-50 drawing. It's never a ton of money, but just a little bit of cash. We call it gas money. And most of the new people, with the exception of Shelby and Robbie, they pretty much won everything. The new people, one of the new guys won the 50-50. I've never won a 50-50, and I've been in this thing for 3 years. I didn't even get any raffle tickets last night, though. Nobody could break $1,000 bill, brother. Right. That's always funny right there. That guy was asking me to rev the engine. Little does he know the joke's on me because I exhausted myself out over here. I shot all that exhaust fumes right into my bike, into my helmet. Oh, I need gasoline. We'll do that after bike night. Paintbrush on the floor, on the road. Paintbrush on the road. I could be the floor too. We're about to round the corner up here, so let's see how it looks up here at bike night. I swear to you, every time I get on this bike since those new fork seals have been put in, it feels amazing around corners, baby. It just hugs that road now. It's a completely different ride. Maybe it's all in my head, but I don't think so. I pretty much know my bike. All right, let's see what's going on up here. Do I see any bikes up at bike night? I don't see any bikes. Is this really bike night? This does not look like bike night. Party foul bike night. 3 bikes. I'm not going to be the 4th. Wah, wah, wah. Well, there you go. So I guess now I'm running to the gas station to get some fuel in my babe. So an interesting fact is tonight I reached out to about 5 people and told them I was going to bike night. Well, at all different times, all 5 of them told me they weren't going to be able to make it due to work obligations and so on. I guess it's a good thing. Or they would have been like, what were you inviting me to? They would probably ask me, why'd you pretend like there was a bike night? Why didn't you just say, hey, well, I want to hang out with you? Especially if just one of them showed up. Just kidding, brother. It's just you and me. How disappointing. I need some gasoline. All right, let's see here. Would you like a receipt? No, I don't want a receipt. Pumping that inflation, brother. Stall.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way. I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.